Look at how shiny my hair is. Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. I'm gonna be trying Fenty Hair and letting y'all know what I think about it. They're actually really good products and if I will recommend them. So if you guys are interested in seeing me use Fenty Hair and sharing my thoughts on them, then let's go ahead and get right into it. Have some Fenty Hair products to try today. I am going to be trying the shampoo called the Rich One, the moisture repair conditioner called the Rich One, Comeback Kid, which is the instant damage repair treatment, and the protective type 5-in-1 heat protectant styler. I just switched over to my phone because my camera battery just died. My hair had been in small knotless boho braids for over a month. I was oiling my scalp 3 or 4 times a week. I was also spraying rice water on my hair. I've got a lot of buildup going on here. I can't stop scratching it. It's pretty gross. So let's go ahead and get in the shower and I'm gonna take y'all with me during wash day. I'm fresh out of the shower. So now I'm gonna try this protective type, which is the 5-in-1 heat protectant styler. I am gonna put this on my hair while it's damp before I blow dry it, just to like really lock in the heat protector and like activate it. When I tell y'all, my hair is so soft. And I can still smell the products. It smells floral, but it has a really heavy amber scent to it. Really pretty, it's a really pretty scent, but my hair feels really soft. All right, so let's go ahead and go in with this styler. Girl, it's already coming out. I don't know how much I need. I'm a little scared because I don't want to put too much in my hair, but this feels like, it feels like a lotion. I already feel like that's too much. It didn't tell me how much to put, so I hope that was enough. I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying my hair and we'll see how it feels after I blow dry it. Tell y'all, my hair is so soft. Like even in my roots where I have tons of new growth and I expect it to be like a little rough, no, it's even soft in my roots. Let's go ahead, flat iron it, and I'm gonna tell y'all my thoughts on all of these products and let y'all know if y'all should get them. So this is how my hair turned out after using the Fenty products for wash day, blow drying, and flat ironing. First, let's touch on the shine on my hair. I didn't add an oil and I didn't put anything else on my hair besides the 4 products that I showed you guys and told you about. This is just the sheen on my hair from using those 4 products from Fenty Hair. I don't know if y'all can see it as good on camera, but my hair is very, very shiny. Not only is my hair shiny, but it's so freaking soft. It has lots of movement and it does not feel weighed down whatsoever. And it feels really, really healthy. It definitely feels like I did a treatment to my hair, which I did. So the first thing I want to say about these products is how good they smell. And I can smell it in my hair. I washed my hair yesterday, blow dried it yesterday, and I just flat ironed it today. I can still smell the scent from these products in my hair. Usually after I've blow dried my hair, you don't really smell the scent from the products that I used, especially after I flat iron my hair. Usually after I flat iron my hair, it kind of smells like, I don't know, it kind of smells burnt, like the burnt smell from a curling iron. That's what my hair usually smells like, unless I put like an oil or something in it. Like, did y'all put perfume in these products? Because my hair smells good. The first one we'll talk about is the shampoo. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, before I washed my hair, it was really, really dirty. Like, I had not washed my hair in over a month because, like I told you guys, I had those braids in, and I have been oiling my scalp every other day. I had been putting a serum on my edges. So I was considering using a clarifying shampoo and then going in with this one. I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and only use this shampoo to see if it's actually gonna get my hair really clean. I was scared that it wasn't because it says that it's a moisture shampoo. I was like, I don't think this is gonna get my hair clean. Like, my hair was filthy. This got my hair clean. Like, it actually did get my hair clean, and I didn't use a ton of shampoo. I did wash my hair twice, but I do that every time I wash my hair just to make sure that my scalp is really clean and that the length of my strands are clean. So the first wash, it did suds up pretty good, but that second time, my hair got really, really, really sudsy and foamy. This got my hair super clean. Didn't have like that squeaky clean feel. Another thing that I want to mention about this is usually after I wash my hair, if I don't exfoliate my scalp, every single time I wash my hair, I'll get some flakiness in the front. Let me show y'all my scalp. Y'all, there are no flakes. Like, there are no flakes to be found in my scalp. Scalp is clean and moisturized. Like, usually the day after I wash my hair, I know that my hair is clean, but my scalp will be itchy. It's just because my scalp is dry. My scalp hasn't itched. My hair is clean and my scalp is moisturized, girl. So I'm here for it. I like the way this made my hair feel. The next one we'll get into is the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. This conditioner felt really lightweight in my hair. I can't say that it helped to detangle my hair at all. Y'all also have to consider what I was working with. I had not combed my hair in over a month, and they were in really small knotless braids. Naturally, my hair was gonna be super tangled. While I don't feel like this helped to detangle my hair, it did make my hair feel really, really soft without it feeling heavy. My hair really did soak up the conditioner. I do like this, and I would definitely use it again. This is a nice conditioner. It did still feel really nice and conditioned, even though I didn't have like tons of slip. Now let's get into the comeback kid, which is the instant damage repair treatment. Or when I read the how to use this online, I actually was supposed to skip the conditioner completely and use this right after shampooing. I didn't do that. My hair needed to be conditioned. There was no way that I was gonna wash my hair and not condition it. My hair needed a ton of TLC. The texture of this is really nice and lightweight, so I do like that about it. It's almost like the texture of like a really light lotion. It didn't feel thick or heavy on my hair at all. It almost felt like the conditioner, the way that it went on my hair. I did not use a lot of this. The magic happened as I was rinsing this out of my hair. When I tell y'all, I rinsed my hair for probably 5 to 10 minutes. Still kind of felt like something was on my hair, not because of any residue, but just because of how my hair felt. It felt so strong and so nourished. Like, it definitely felt like I just put a treatment, professional level treatment in my hair. I kept rinsing and rinsing and rinsing because I'm like, there's no way my hair still feels like this if there's not still product on my hair. I didn't want to go through the motions of blow drying my hair and having like that nasty sticky residue because I didn't rinse all of my product out. But I could tell that all of the product was out of my hair when I went to blow dry it, because my hair was still, it was nice and fluffy and lightweight, and it felt strong and it felt healthy. This is amazing. Usually when it comes to like deep conditioners and treatments, I really OD on the amount of product that I use. But I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna do that this time with this product. You don't need a lot of this product for it to work. My hair felt fantastic. And last but not least is the Protectant Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. I only used a tiny little bit of this because, like I said, I did not want my hair to feel heavy or weighed down immediately. Yes, I don't know if it was this or just a combination of all of the products that got my hair this shiny and silky and soft, but baby, I am very impressed with Fenty Hair. The products work, y'all. If y'all don't get all 4 of these, I would definitely say get the comeback kid and get the heat protectant styler. These are so good. The shampoo and the conditioner are really nice too. Like, those are really good. But if you only want to spend $40–50, get these two and your hair will thank you, girl. So that's it for my review on Fenty Hair. I hope that this was helpful. If you guys have tried any of the Fenty Hair products, let me know your experience with them, and if you like them, if they didn't work for you, let me know down below in the comments. I will link all of these products down in the description box if you guys are interested in checking them out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and join the family, and I will see y'all next time. All right, bye.